They didn't call me. I was a little bit confused because I have a 22 years of experience in IT and telecom. So I worked with a company like Microsoft, Oracle, HP, then Bharti, then Tata's groups and all before I call it a day last year. And that enough of this corporate let me do something of my own. So I want to share something very interesting and how this solar part of is worked out pretty well. I run a company called slow4.com, that is sloganandphotography.com. We are countering today to Facebook and Twitter of the world. Now, I'll tell you that how we are countering, because the 6 months back, the people says Nivedan has gone mad. He has invested all his saving into this company, and he's trying to do something which probably he will collapse to one day. So 6 months, 7 months was really tough for me because to put the infrastructure and then build up a story where I have to sell the story to the people. So there are 2-3 distinct things which I have done. I have created a security layer from the day one the guy comes into the portal. So he never have to go set the security and all. I created an approach that whichever the country wanted to take these services, the data remain in that country. It is not like Brick Brothers, 4 guys controlling the whole world digital economy with them, which estimated $3 trillion by 2017. Okay. Now, why I came and why I talked about it. So, for last 3 months, I have been traveling across the world. There is one section which we are trying to launch by October this year is called Professional Management Group. Okay. So, one side of it that a person comes, he create his own login and password, create his own groups and start working. There's another called a corporate or a government entity where they create their corner, they manage it. The middle one is called professional corner. I've just recently come back about last week from Finland, and I had gone to the remote of Finland to understand how it works and how we are going to do that. You see, this professional corner is not for the film stars or the big guys who are already famous. So though they will have this, they will avail the services, but our 65% we are targeting to the people who are manufacturing or doing something of their own, maybe a handicraft or maybe any products they wanted to sell, the manufacture and keep it at a remote area of the country. And they wanted to get connect, and when they get connect, they want to sell. Okay. So here what we have done, we have created their profile, we have created the products they manufactures, we created the advantage of that products, and then we try to build up a community who wanted to connect with that particular product or that particular persons. For an example, somebody last time it says that they are manufacturing beautiful mats which worth many rupees, but while he is manufacturing on his village, on her village, he or she doesn't know what his value is all about. But when we go to a Delhi Hut or any Cottage Emporium store, we pay probably thousands times more. So we are run a pilot in Nepal right now. Nepal government is signing up with us for the services of my services for the entire country. So there is 3 pilots which I have run, and trust me that those villages which manufacture, and I can proudly show you this I have bought it through Slow4 from that village sitting in Delhi. So this is a pilot which I am running. Now I'll come back to why I'm saying that. These 3 villages in Nepal doesn't have electricity, doesn't have water, nothing. But they built this kind of things on their house, and they created a lot of paintings on different stones, carving and all that stuff. So we gave an PC. That PC is powered with the solar energy. And we created a profile for them and integrated a payment gateway. And those guys was sitting over there, start selling the product across the globe. What we did is that we promote those 4 guys or 5 guys on different kind of platforms, saying that these products are available if you want to look. And this runs for about 4 weeks now. And I have got mails from the Nepal government right now, which is a little bit disturbed, but their IT minister wrote me back to me. The sales which they have reached, these 4 guys which I have created, they said they can't even dream of on this generation to get it. In the Finland, when I come back, They made a cheese that